Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate the difference between ref and out parameters in this sample program. A very simple straightforward program which demonstrates the difference between these two. Basically the functionality is the same. It is opposite of pass by value, and it is going to give the same output. But there are some differences. So I'm going to write a new class called ref out param test. Inside I'm going to just write a method. Now this method is going to replace the string value for me, the string value that I'm going to pass. So let's name it replace string or something like that. And I'm going to pass a string value, say name to it. Let's call this replace name. Now inside this I'm going to assign some value to the name. Say name is equal to Harry. So no matter what I pass to the string will change to Harry now whenever this method is called. Now in this main method, I'm gonna call this method replace name. So before that I need to create a object for ref out param test. So let's do that. Ref out is equal to new ref out param test. I'm gonna create a local variable, string variable, say string name. Doesn't matter if the name is same, it's just an underscore. It's equal to say Hermione, yeah, Harry Potter reference. And I'm going to what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass this name value to my replace name method. So ref out dot replace name. So right now you see I haven't used ref or out parameter. I'm going to console dot write line, that is I'm going to print out this name before and after. So original, and I'm going to print out the new after the method is called replace name. So original and new. So this is the way I print out. Now I haven't used ref or out parameter, if you see. So this is just passed by value. So if the name is passed to replace name, it's not going to change to Harry because it's a local variable. The local variable is not going to change. I'm just going to write console or read line. The local variable is not going to change, so it should output me Hermione because obviously Harry is only till the scope replace name, since I am the local variable will not change, pass by value. Let's use out here. Let's see what out does. Now assuming out is passed by reference, as you can see it is giving me error. The error is because when passing we need to also mention out parameter. So now it's building, and as you can see the name has changed to Harry just because it is passing by reference. Now as you can see out is similar to ref. It's passing the reference type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just to demonstrate the difference, I have what the name that I've initialized, I've commented that, and as you can see it succeeded. It doesn't give me a problem if I'm not initializing this name, so it's all right if I'm passing it by out. So what we can depict from this is a simple thing is that the value doesn't need to be initialized before we are passing it to the method replace name. So I'm just going to write the difference. The value doesn't need to be assigned before sending as out parameter, assigned or initialized. Now obviously this is okay for out parameter, but somewhere it has to be assigned, right? I mean somewhere it expects that it should be assigned. So in case of out, it expects here in the replace name method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment this name is equal to Harry and C. As you can see the error is there. The out parameter name must be assigned to before control leaves the current method. So it expects us to initialize this value inside the method instead of initializing it before it is passed. So yes, so value passed should be assigned or initialized inside the method where it is passed, so before it leaves the control. So I'm just going to write it down. For control leaves the method. Now let's just test it for ref parameter. Does this work the same with ref or not? So the ref also needs to be mentioned in both method which is called and method which is calling it. Now when you see, when I try to build it, it says use of unassigned variable name, that is name. So this name, it is telling me that this name needs to be initialized. Now in case of out, it was okay if we did not initialize the name, but in case of ref, we need to do that. So this is one of the actually first difference, main difference that we can see, is that the variable or the name should be assigned before passing it as ref parameter, and inside it needs to be assigned in case of out parameter. So as you can see, that is a difference. So initialization happens in two different places in case of ref and out: before in case of ref and after in case of out. So yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to uncomment this part and see what happens when I build this. And the value has been changed from Hermione to Harry, just as we expected. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the overloading part of it. So let me overload this function, and let me just remove this ref part over here and see if it builds. Yes, so a function overloading is possible if one is ref and one is value type. Now in case of out also it builds probably. Let's check it out. Yes, it does. So out and ref is can be overloaded if both one is value, but oh, ref and out both, if you've mentioned that it is not going to allow it, because it differs from another method by ref and out only. So you cannot overload a method with only difference ref and out parameter. So only difference of out and value type is okay, ref and out type value type is okay, but ref and out both with same function name you cannot have. That is the only difference ref and out you should not have. So if you pass this as ref and say another parameter, it would probably work, but in this case it would not work. So this is the difference, and hope it helped you, and thank you for watching the video. Bye.